after time was granted. Treese coming home. Off speed, pulled past the diving third baseman Thomas and up the left field line. Vogel turns first. He is digging for second. Here comes the throw. It beats him, but he slides in under it. And Holt cannot believe he didn't get the call. A very demonstrative descent with the first base umpire, the crew chief Alex Laurie, coming over to make the call as Steve Brook comes out of the third base dugout to pick up the argument. The throw had him beat. It was on the center field side. And the ruling apparently from Laurie with no replay review is that Vogel slid in under the tag.
Mateo out there in left field got a